Good morning to all Amitians listening to me. Today we have with us our resource person, Mr. Bruhad Buch.
Thank you so much Sanjay ji for this. Thank you so much.
Mr. Buch, you have been in the industry for so many years, interacted with not less than millions of people around. So for a layman who first listening about design thinking, what do you say? How would you define design thinking for them?
Sure, that's a very interesting question that's asked to me all the time. So in simple words, if I were to tell design thinking, it's a process that is centered around the human or the user that we call. It integrates the needs of people, business and technology. Everything, solutions, problems, everything is user oriented, and that is the beauty about design thinking. So for a layman, I think this is good enough in terms of understanding design thinking per se.
What you thought about our student when you interacted with them? Anything that you wanted to give a message so that they can make a great career?
I think it's fascinating. I think I took 3 key highlights from my visit to Amity. Number one is you have a beautiful infrastructure, and very few institutes have such an infrastructure for students, including the hostels and all of that. So that's the biggest highlight of this university.
Thank you very much.
The second thing is that the students are extremely good in terms of their reciprocity. They are very passionate, and they have extremely high learnability, and that is something that is a key for every student, and I'm so happy to see such enthusiastic participation throughout the program. And number 3 is I'd like to tell you about the faculty, that includes you as well. I think you guys are doing such a fantastic job. 1 in terms of the curriculum, 2 in terms of the industry connect, and 3 in terms of shaping careers for these young students.
Thankfulness to you and your work that you are doing. Thank you and have a great time ahead.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.